Hello and welcome to this tutorial on using the AI tracking feature inside Waikay. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to set up AI tracking to monitor your brand's visibility across popular AI models. We'll continue using ClickUp.com as an example and walk you through the process inside an existing project. Let's start by opening the project we've already created for ClickUp.com. In the left-hand menu, click on Tracking to access the AI tracking feature. The first thing we need to do is to create a tracking prompt. Click on Create a Prompt. Here, you can either manually enter a prompt or click Get Prompts Suggestions to let Waikay suggest prompts that are relevant to your brand. For this example, let's click on Get Prompt Suggestions and wait a few seconds while the suggestions load. Now click on Select Prompt to see the suggested prompts. As you can see, we have a variety of prompts related to what ClickUp offers, including project management, task management system, team collaboration suite, among others. For this tutorial, we'll choose the prompts. What are the best all-in-one project management tools that include task management, chat, and document collaboration? Next, you can choose the LLM models where you'd like to track your brand's visibility. Let's select all 4 available models: Gemini, ChatGPT, Sonar, and Claude. Now select your tracking frequency. You can choose between tracking every 2 days or daily. We'll select every 2 days here. Finally, click on Add Prompt. Once you've added a prompt, you'll be redirected to your AI visibility dashboard. At first, you may only see limited data as tracking begins. Over the next few days, your dashboard will fill with valuable insights. Let's look now at an example dashboard for ClickUp, where tracking has been running for several days. At the top, you can select to view data for all prompts or focus on a specific prompt. Let's select the prompts. What are the top collaboration tools that include chat, document sharing, and whiteboard features? And click Update Results. Below that, you will see a graph showing your brand's average visibility percentage for this prompt across each AI model. For example, for the selected prompts, ClickUp has 5.8% visibility in Gemini and 14.2% visibility in Sonar. What does this percentage mean? It represents how often your brand is mentioned relative to other brands. If ClickUp has 14.5% visibility, it means that out of every 100 brand mentions in responses, ClickUp appeared 14.2 times. Next, the visibility trends section shows how your brand's visibility evolves over time, depending on your tracking frequency. You can view visibility trends across all AI models or select a specific model, for example, Gemini, to see visibility evolution just for that model. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll find the industry ranking section. This displays the brands with the highest visibility for the selected prompt. In our example, Miro holds the #1 spot with 15% visibility, followed by Microsoft Teams with 12% visibility. ClickUp ranks 3rd with an 11% visibility score. Moving to the brand topic analysis section, you will see a heat map. This shows which topics AI models associate with each brand based on the responses to the selected prompt. For example, for Microsoft Teams, AI models associated with topics like collaboration, cited 15 times, Teams, cited 19 times, and platform cited 13 times. For ClickUp, we see associations such as collaboration, cited 15 times, and whiteboard, cited 20 times. This helps you understand the context in which your brand is being presented by AI models. Finally, let's look at the sources section, one of the most strategic areas. Here, you'll find a list of websites and specific pages that AI models referenced when generating answers for the selected prompts. Sources are ranked by how often they are cited. For instance, the digitalprojectmanager.com has two URLs cited 9 times by Gemini, Sonar, and Claude. If you click on the source, you'll see the exact pages referenced. For example, this page about best collaboration software has been referenced 1 time, and this page about real-time collaboration tools has been referenced 8 times. This analysis gives you actionable insights. Which sites and pages should you aim to get listed on? By securing visibility on these influential pages, you increase your chances of being mentioned more often in AI-generated answers for this prompt. And that's an overview of how the AI tracking feature on Waikay works. It helps you track your brand visibility across top AI models, understand which prompts and topics drive visibility, analyze trends and competitor rankings, and finally, identify strategic content opportunities to improve your AI mentions. Thanks for watching.